हेलो गाइस, सो कैसे हो आप लोग। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू कैन माइन वीरस कॉइन ऑन CPU and GPU. Note, you can mine Virus coin on both of the hardware at a same time, as well as you can mine Virus coin on using a single hardware at a single time. So let's discuss how where you can mine. You can mine on Luckpool and as well as Judgepool also, but on Luckpool you need to get a payout in a Virus coin. So for that, if you want to withdraw your money, you need to exchange your Virus coin to another currency. So you can trade Virus coin on Safe Trade also, but in case of Judgepool, you can mine on Judgepool and get a payout in any coin like Dogecoin, Dash, etc. So let's discuss how you can mine Virus coin at the same time on both of the hardwares. As you can see, that is the command for CPU and GPU, both of the commands. I will give you the link in description. So that is based on Luckpool. You can also change your pool to Judgepool also. If you want to mine on CPU, that is the first command is for CPU and the second command is for GPU. If you want to use both of the hardwares at the same time, then I will show you how you can mine at the same time. So let's show you. So first I will show you on CPU the hash rate on CPU. Okay. uh, as you can see, we are getting 1.6 mega hash on CPU. Now I will show you the hash rate we are getting on GPU. So let's copy the second command. I will also show you how you can mine on both of the hardware at the same time. So let's cancel it and paste your GPU command. As you can see, we are getting similarly 1 mega hash on GPU also. So I will show you how you can use both of the hardware at the same time. Let's cancel it and copy it. I will create another directory. So copy first command and use this operator AND operator, then place the GPU command also. I'm going to paste the GPU command. Now press enter so that you can mine on both of the hardware at the same time. Now press enter. Both of the process are running at same time parallelly. You may get confused because of the output, because GPU and CPU algorithms commands are running same at a same time. As you can see, the GPU commands are also running, and also you can see the CPU command is also running, so that we are getting 1.2 mega hash on CPU. And now GPU also start running, it's compiling. Here you can see GPU is also start okay. Now you can see GPU is also start running. You can also run different miners, one is for GPU and one is for CPU also, if you want to use the both of the hardware at a same time on a same terminal. Here you can see the GPU share is also accepted and the CPU share is also accepted. If you are using a Luckpool, you need a Virus coin wallet. So where you can get the Virus coin wallet? You can simply download the Virus wallet app, the GitHub repository. Here I will give you the link of the wallet in the description. You can download and get the Virus wallet and their address. But if you are using Just Pull, it is not necessary for getting a Virus coin wallet. You can get a payout in different coins like Doge and Dash. You can get the simply use the Doge and Dash wallet address and just replace the pool address. And thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.